Hi kids, it's another happy Thursday, and I like to teach you guys activities and things you can do at home with your family so that your mind stays fast and sharp. So it's game time. Sight word activities and games. Now that it's been getting a little bit colder, I've been really missing the beach and missing Florida. You know something that we do in Florida all the time? Go fishing. This activity is called sight word fishing. Did somebody say fishing? You are interesting. All right, come and join me and I'll tell you what supplies you'll need. You'll want to have some fish shapes on a paper. You can draw them or ask a grown-up to help you draw them. Or, like me, you can print a fish template. You'll need a marker to write the sight words on the bodies of the fish. And you'll need scissors to cut these fishies out. Then you'll need some metal paper clips and a magnetic fishing pole. I don't have that kind of fishing pole at my house. I knew you would say that. You don't need to have a magnetic fishing pole at your house. You can make one with these supplies. You probably have a random magnet on your refrigerator. And I'm sure there's a pencil and a string lying around in your house somewhere. Tie one end of the string to the magnet and the other end of the string to the pencil, and voila, you've got yourself a magnetic fishing pole. Oh, okay, does it work? See if it works by trying to get it to pick up something metal. It worked! If for some reason you don't have any of these supplies, Miss Bongiorno will provide you with some stuff. Here are some of our sight words. See, I, we, can, a, like, it's probably a good idea to write these sight words in lowercase letters and uppercase letters like this. There's lowercase a, here's uppercase A. Wow, look at all those fish. How would you like to catch some of them? Yeah, I want to catch them, but how do you do it with that fishing pole? Of course. So, the paper clips are like fish hooks. When you put them on the paper, it lets you catch them with your fishing pole. Time to spread out the fishies in the pond. To make it interesting and funny, we should close our eyes and make sure that the words are flipped over so we can't see them until we catch them. Ready? You go first. Yes, I get to go first. Okay, close my eyes. Here we go. Can. I know this word, Miss Bongiorno. Can. C-A-N. Can. All right, here I go again. I hear it. I caught one. A. A. Okie dokie. C? C, S-E-E. Okay, here I go. Did I catch one? This is the word the. The. No matter how you say it, the or the, it's always spelled T-H-E. What'd I get? What'd I get? Oh, they're slippery, Miss Sponjoro. Wet? No, no. We. I got the word we. We. W-E. I heard it. Yes, I got one. Like. Like. L-I-K-E. What's this? It's C again. I got a match. I have the other one. I can't believe you got a match. Every time you get a match, you should earn something. Yeah, you mean like a token? How about a gummy fish? Because it goes with the theme of our game. I caught it in my mouth. Hey, you're reading these sight words really good. You are officially brilliant. Get it? No. No. Listen carefully. Like, oh, fish-ally. Okay, like you mean like I'm like super smart? Oh, fish-ally. Get it? Like officially, but like official. Do you get it? No. Like oh, fish-ally. Oh, fish. All right, well, let's get back to the game and back to the gummies. I still don't get it. I hope you guys enjoyed that activity, and I hope you choose to try it at home. If you don't have the supplies needed, I would always be happy to give you some things so that you can make this game happen in your house. All right, I'll see you soon. Got you.